Hans Christian Andersen's Emperor and the Nightingale took us on a journey to China complete with invading dragons. 36 children and adults presented 5 performances at Taos Community Auditorium. The Emperor demands the Nightingale appear to him and sends Song Li, lowly kitchen maid.
He hears it every night! Yes, every night when I take food to my poor sick mother, I pass through the forest and hear the Nightingale song. It is so beautiful, it's full of all the joy, all the love of the world.
Can you take us?
Can you take us now? We come with you and carry your lantern and be the first to discover the Nightingale.
Song Li, played by Ana Kayla Trujillo, leads them into the forest. Larissa Short from Taos Youth Ballet played a wondrous Nightingale. This was her childhood favorite. The Emperor begs the Nightingale to stay forever. Taos actor, acupuncturist Ben Teitelbaum appears.
Have you ever seen me this happy? Even you look happy.
Unbeknownst to the Emperor, his Imperial High Counselor, performed by aspiring actress Aja Rice, plots to take over the throne.
When I am Emperor, I will travel throughout all of China with my army preceding me. So all that we see is China, China, China!
Mid-rehearsal, we entered the Arroyo Seco parade. Judges were captivated. We won first in the children's category. The Imperial High Counselor's team includes former Postmaster John Flaherty as Princess Red Lotus. Disguised as foreign princesses of Charaktara, they invade the palace to poison the Emperor. Meanwhile, outside the palace, revolution erupts, and Taos actor Yogi Christopher Heron leads the starving rice farmers over the palace wall. Alas, they fail. Satya Shah from New York comes up with the plan.
I have a cousin here. Her dad has a dancing dragon.
Prince Sohasan of Japan sends the Emperor a mechanical nightingale. Larissa Short doubles as his mechanical bird. Third-year TCT student J. Ryan Cox is the prince.
I'm bursting! Bursting! This is not how it should be. I'll follow her to the ends of the earth.
When the mechanical bird breaks down, the Emperor falls ill. Death haunts his bedchamber. International cabaret singer, actress Barbara Jones appears as Death.
Will you be remembered?
His ancestors move in to haunt him. Their mask designs come from the Chinese opera. All at once, the Nightingale flies in. His life is restored. Enos Garcia and Ranchos Elementary summer school students attended, plus Taos Pueblo Day School, the UNM Early Childhood Development Center, and high-altitude gymnastics. Community audiences applauded again and again. We are grateful for the support of New Mexico Arts, McCune Foundation, Chevron Mining, the Town of Taos, Siegel Foundation, the Jones Family Fund, U.S. Bank, Taos Lodgers Tax Fund, plus 40 local businesses. The Emperor blessed all with health, wealth, and good fortune.